Students, hope you all will be fine. Today we shall read Unit 6 Sandwiches. In this unit, we will learn about the meaning of sandwich, parts of sandwich, types of sandwiches, and cannots. What do you mean by sandwich? Sandwich is a type of food placed between the slices of bread. In sandwich, bread works as a wrapper to food. Sandwich is a perfect balance of temperature, texture, flavor, and appearance. Sandwiches may be hot and cold, crunchy and chewy. Now, the parts of a sandwich. There are three parts of a sandwich. These are bread, filling, and spread, or we can say bread, spread, and filling. So, first part, bread. The various types of breads used in making of sandwich are French bread, pita bread, focaccia bread, panini bread, whole wheat bread, and rye bread. The bread used for sandwich should not be more than 12 hours old. Very fresh bread can be soggy. The bread used for sandwich making should be stored at room temperature. The bread that we used for making sandwiches should be stored at room temperature but away from heat. So these are the characteristics. What are the characteristics of bread used for sandwiches? It should not be 12 hours old and should be stored at room temperature, and very fresh bread can be soggy. Now, next part of the sandwich is spread. The spread is very important part of the sandwich. It acts as a sealing material for the sandwich. It adds flavor to the bread and it also acts as a moistening agent. Some of the essentials of spread. Essentials of a spread of a good spread should be soft, spreadable, with rich mouth feel. Spread should be stored properly. Now, different types of spread used are butter, jam, marmalades, mayonnaise, chutneys, etc. Now, third part of the sandwich is filling. The purpose of filling is to provide flavor, completeness, nutrients, moisture, and it gives body to the filling. The filling has to be 1/3 of the sandwich contribution. Different types of filling that are used are fillings used in sandwich are beef, pork, lamb, fish, eggs, fruits, vegetable, duck, turkey, etc. Now the filling always is full of flavors and no meat with bones can be used in the sandwich. Now we will do different types of sandwiches. The different types of sandwiches are cold open sandwich and cold closed sandwich. Cold open sandwich and cold closed sandwich. First is cold open sandwich. Cold open sandwich can be made from a single slice of bread. As the picture shows, it is made of the single slice of bread. Examples of cold open sandwich are avocado toast and sweet potato toast. In cold open sandwich, dressing is applied on the single part of the slice and then topped with a topping or a filling on it. Now next is cold closed sandwich. Cold closed sandwich, it can be made of 2 or more than 2 slices. It can be simple or with combinations. Now, some examples of closed sandwiches are lunchbox sandwich, tea sandwich, buffet sandwich, double decker sandwich, club sandwich, fancy sandwich, and hot sandwich. And canap part is of practical portion. Canap part we will do in practicals. Thank you.